What's up you guys, it's your boy and I am back for another YouTube video. So again, welcome to Anything Adulting, a channel where we talk about life hacks, life in general, or anything adulting. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so walang kayong bigyan ng update sa adulting journey ko. It's been a while since nag-vlog ako ng anything adulting content ko dito. Hindi ko alam kung may nanonood, pero thank you for those who's watching. Pero this is just like a life diary na gusto ko i-share, i-document para meron akong ma-look back in the future kung paano yung naging journey ko and share it, to someone, some people na ganun din yung pinagdadaanan. So, as of the moment, I am actually eyeing and canvassing to buy my first ever car. I would also like to take this opportunity na sabihin sa inyo na take your time. We all have our journey. We all have, the desires of our heart. And take your own pace. Darating din tayo dyan. Kasi ako, just to give you an idea, I never dreamed to buy a car in the future. Or I'm not really into cars before. Pero it may sound preachy, pero all glory to God. Kasi God will really give you plans, dreams that you haven't even thought of at the first place. Talagang may mga seeds na ipaplant sa puso mo si Lord na you can only imagine, kumbaga. So I am creating this video just to let you know na all praises and glory talaga to God, kasi I know that there are also a lot of people out there who's watching this video na providers sa family nila. And sometimes it gets overwhelming kapag nagkakapatong-patong ang bills natin, plus may gusto ka pang gawin sa buhay mo, plus gusto mo rin mag-save at the same time, and it's a lot in your plate. Pero at the end of the day, it's nice to have a structure sa ating finances, pero let God lead the way. Kasi just to give you a testimony or my experience, I ended 2023 parang placing a financial structure sa aking expenses. And it turned out okay naman. I am on top of everything, pero I forgot to let God lead me. So may mga instances na nagkapatong-patong yung mga expenses, and then it, make you feel anxious, stress, sad at the same time kasi hindi mo nagawa yung gusto mo talagang gawin, Pero gusto ko lang kasi sabihin sa inyo na ako as a person, mas marami akong nagagawa if I let go and let God. May financial structure ako. I know how to handle my finances for a longer period of time already, pero maganda pa din talaga yung hayaan mong i-lead ka ni God. Kasi honest to goodness, going back, I ended 2023 a little bit anxious. Pero when I let go and let God again, mas marami akong nagawa. Na-fulfill ko yung responsibilities ko. Mas communicate ako ng maayos sa mga people involved when it comes to my finances and responsibilities. And tayo ngayon sa point na to na I am now making one of my dreams into reality, and nandito na tayo at nagka-canvas ng car. So this is just like a life update of mine. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo tong testimony na to, na kapag ikaw ay binless ni God to provide for your family, to fulfill your responsibilities, provide. I know that we all have our own individual desires, goals, diba, na gusto natin gawin sa buhay natin. But at the end of the day, if God makes you able to provide. But at the end of the day, be smart. Know your responsibilities. Put boundaries. Ang ibig ko lang sabihin doon is that ideally, dapat ang responsibilidad mo or sa isang household, sabihin na natin, it will never be your child's responsibility to provide to your parents. Pero again, we're coming all in different circumstances and obligations and backgrounds in life. Ang sa akin lang, when it comes to us talking about putting boundaries, knowing your responsibilities, if you're helping your parents, it's fine. Wala tayong problema doon. Pero it only stops to your parents. Hindi na dapat kasama yung mga kamag-anak and stuff. But again, we are coming from different backgrounds. But again, if hindi naman maiwasan na kailangan din ng support ng mga kamag-anak mo, yung mga nagpalaki sa'yo, kung gano'n man yung setup ninyo, it should also be having a boundaries where it should have an end game. Kailangan may katapusan. Alam mo yung ibig ko sabihin, kailangan may goal kayo together na once this month, this scenario, this situation in life arises, tapos na, and then be able to, provide for themselves. It's a lot, it's a long conversation. It's a crazy and trending or medyo sensitive to talk about, pero ang saan lang gusto ko lang sabihin dito is that to bottom line this update with y'all, I will be bringing you with my journey. Within my channel, I let you guys see that I was able to bought my first ever iPhone, iPad, and ito, nandito na tayo ngayon sa journey na to na God makes you able to buy your dream car. Maybe not your dream car, because at the end of the day, guys, there will never be a perfect car. Just buy the car that will make use of your money or will really makes your money worth it. And I'll be bringing you guys with me. I would just like to summarize this update with you guys that how beautiful life if you let God lead your journey when it comes to every aspect of your life. Always put God first. I'm not a saint. I commit sins, you know what I'm saying? But again, it's never wrong, and it will never be something to be ashamed of to preach God and to let the people around you that God is really good. God will be giving you dreams that you never have imagined before, and God will really make you able if the desires of your heart is clean and kung mabuti ang intention mo bilang tao. Super informative, pero I'll be bringing you guys with me. For the past 2 weeks, nag-canvas na ako sa mga car dealership. Kung kakilala kita, nakita mo to, sa atin lang to. Pero I'm just actually making this video just to give an update sa life and have it documented. But again, I'll bring you guys with me, and thank you for watching. What is up, you guys? So we are now on the 3rd step ng aking application process. So tayo ay mamimili na kung ano ba talaga ang bibilin ko. Will it be Honda City RS top of the line, or will it be the BRV baseline, since hindi na kasi uso ang sedan ngayon and may market na ang crossover. But we will now be going to Honda dealership and we'll be having a test drive later. I will not be the one who's driving, pero yun ang ininaasa namin. Let's go!
Okay lang po ba si Mom?
Big girl na yun. Kaya niya na. What is up, you guys? So, napakawalang kwenta ko talaga mag-vlog ngayon. This is an additional video. Pero I will just be bringing you with me once na kukunin ko na yung car. And as of the moment, it's no secret, I bought a Honda BRV S variant, or the baseline variant. It's an SUV, but I am the less experienced driver in our family, but my driving era will be coming. I hope to bring you guys with me, and sana sipagin ako mag-vlog mamaya sa dealership, but definitely I will do so. I might also be doing a TikTok live. Follow me on TikTok at Arboleda Jones. It's the same handle with YouTube and Instagram, but yeah, this is just like a life diary, and this is just for me. Si Papa. Meet my new car.
Wow, sarap ka yung luminis. Mabibigay ko. May say hi. Hi. Oh. What's your name? How old are you? Oh, very good.
Okay, so here I am with my family waiting for my SA to arrive so that I can sign the papers. And then while waiting for her, we look around the showroom and then check the other cars. And then the time will come that I will be driving now my new car.
Ayun.
Yun. So yung aircon nito is okay na din na
Diretso na.
Opo.
Okay.
Pero
Okay.
kung gusto niyo sir i-off, walang problema.
Okay.
Tapos meron dito aircon dito
Quality
sa
Yeah.
Pride detergent.
Wow, talaga.
Pwede. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So ngayon sir, naka-front end, ano siya? Front and back. Yan. Yan. Ito yung back, ito yung front. So pipindutin nyo lang to sir. Block current video file.
What does it means?
Parang, ano sir, unlock. Parang,
Oh.
yan. Ito naman sir yung ano, yung
Change view.
Change view.
Okay.
Yan. Front lang.
Okay.
Yan.
Likod.
Yan. Doble na siya sir.
Okay.
Or ibang version.
Okay.
Ganun siya. Tapos ngayon sir, open lang natin yung sa app mo.
Okay yung sa app.
Iko.
What is up you guys? It's your boy and napakawalang kwenta ko talaga mag-vlog. Pero ito, I already bought my car. So this is a Honda BRV S variant, the base variant. So ayun lang, update lang. Hindi na ako nakapag-update sa ating vlog yesterday sa dealership kasi busy and wala akong tulog. Because I work at night and 2 hours lang itulog ko. But yeah, this is it. Then hopefully I can, have like a car tour. That's it.